Understanding Ferry's arrival time, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very specific but interesting English phrase, Ferry's arrival time. Understanding phrases like these is crucial for mastering the English language, especially if you're learning it as a second language. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means, how to use it, and why it's important. The phrase, Ferry's arrival time, may seem simple, but it's packed with meaning. First, let's break it down. The word, ferry, refers to a type of boat that transports people, and sometimes vehicles, across a body of water. The apostrophe s indicates possession, meaning the time belongs to the ferry. Finally, arrival time tells us the specific time the ferry is expected to reach its destination. Knowing the meaning of Ferry's arrival time is one thing, but understanding when and how to use it is another. This phrase is commonly used in situations involving travel or planning. For example, if you're planning a trip and need to catch a ferry to reach your destination, knowing the ferry's arrival time is essential for planning the rest of your journey. How do we use this phrase in real-life situations? Imagine you're traveling to an island and need to take a ferry. You might ask a travel agent or search online, "What's the ferry's arrival time?" Or, if you're informing someone about your plans, you could say, "I need to know the ferry's arrival time to arrange my pickup from the port." Understanding phrases like Ferry's arrival time is more than just learning vocabulary. It's about grasping the practical aspects of language that can help you navigate everyday situations. We hope this video has shed some light on this phrase and its uses. Remember, learning a new language is a journey, and every little bit of knowledge helps you get closer to fluency. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.